现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. This is Huang Weijie, who is a Hakka singer from Kaohsiung's Meinong district. He really cares about his hometown and the environment a lot, and came up with this song. While he lived in Hualien, he would sometimes look out his window and see the central mountain range. Very beautiful, but the view reminded him of his hometown, and he would wish that he get the moonlight and the wind to carry his thoughts across the mountains to his family back in his hometown. Here it is. It's a song called Sanma, or Mountain Range.
有迄一年，爱过迄天色渐渐暗暝，伫面前嘅中央山脉，冲进来紧演，紧来紧探，嘅路电风一站站。停停，点速来，走奔林暗嘅人啊，拼死拼迄个啊，互全败병难。有迄一年，爱过迄天色。渐渐暗暝，伫远方嘅日光山脉，从日来日去，日系清楚，天当嘅神呢，一粒粒，点点来走讲。走奔嘅野归嘅人啊，拼为你开嘅啊，心头中分为我卡。
这首歌叫《山脉散马》，是来自于黄伟杰的歌。他呢来自于高雄美浓，不过这首歌是他住在花莲的时候所写的。偶尔呢会望向窗外的中央山脉，非常漂亮，让他想起他家乡，也想请月光还有风呢，将自己的思念送到山脉的另一边的故乡，给想念的家人。Alright, that does it for another great, beautiful, and romantic song here on ICRT. We'll see you next time. I am Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.